Hello everyone. So now we'll be looking at Python string operations. So Python string operations are very useful in Python and they can be applied in many places and it's important for it's basically very simple to use and it can be in either single or double quotes. Now for instance, if you want to index a string, you can use, for example, you have a equals to cat in the string and you have b equals to dog in the string. Now the result would be equals to a and you index the first letter, which is C, and if you print the result you'll get C from the cat. Now in Python, when you it starts from zero, and if you would like to get the T from the cat, you would have to use number two. If you look at this, if you would like to concatenate two strings, it's basically an addition of the two strings. And in the same example, the cat plus the dog, and you can easily use the plus operator to add them, and you get this result, which is the cat dog. The next useful function of strings are comparison of the two strings. For example, now you have a equals to cats and b equals to dog. Now if you compare them, what Python does is that it compares them string letter by letter in the string. So you know that C is less than D, and so the result is true. However, if you change it to, for instance, A equals to eat and B equals to dog, the result will turn false. Now, if you go back and if you would ask me, what happens? Why? Why is the string? Why is the string true when the number of um, letters in A is more than B? That's because after the first iteration, where C is less than D, the rest of the letters are not taken into consideration in string operation. And this is only for string operations. Now, multiplication and addition of strings. As mentioned earlier, strings can also be used in multiple areas. For instance, multiplication. Now, you can just simply add the result equals to a times 2 and you get 2 times of eat, as in seen in the compiler, just eat and eat. Now, if you would like to do more, for instance, additions of another string, you can also do it. For instance, C equals to A plus more plus B. And C is basically eat more nice. So also subscribe to my channel for more Python tutorials. Thank you.